Hello guys, today we will discuss about crypto awards. This is a good project and we will review about the crypto awards. So let's start. The first of all we will tell you how it's work. The opinion of visitors published in the crypto awards is subjective and only reflects the opinion of the author. Crypto award is responsible for the accuracy of the information started in the review writing style, emotional tones and evaluation made by the review author. To publish official responses of exchanges or crypto companies to review and to make official responses by representative of exchanges or crypto companies, please contact to the website administrator using the following via email. Rank calculation methodology purpose, the most objective possible evaluation. The formula is based on calculating the arithmetic mean of calculating points, the total number of votes counted for a particular exchanges or company is calculated with the help of following elevation formula. Blockchain fees in the European Financial and IT Center. The Blockchain Forum will be one of the biggest and most important event in the crypto industry. The festival brings together not only top professional and global leaders but also those who have recently entered blockchain, cryptocurrency, crypto exchanges, decentralized mining, payment system and investment. Cyprus was chosen as a meeting place for the festival, which makes it even more perfect not only in term travel but also because it attractive attention as the country is non-European modern financial IT hub. Experts and investors from other countries will join as under a roof of discussion the honest topics in the crypto world and take the industry new heights. Crypto Wars 2021 People Choice. First, honest banking of crypto projects companies, people with transparent voting process based on feedback and review for real crypto user and customers. Crypto Awards a rank where each nominee compete for the honor of being crowned best of the best. The rating can select the most reliable project and companies for a safe investment. 30 events, 500 speakers, 3,000 sponsors and participants, 100,000 attendees. FineX Pro. FineX Pro has high goal with its show to create both phenomenal shows and substantial series around the world, including Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, South Korea, Africa, Egypt, Ukraine, Russia, and Cyprus. Networking and learning are key element where you go with FineX. Each event produced by FineX Pro has unique touch of perfection yet makes sense for everyone. So crypto award is the best project, so you should invest in this project. Thank you.